Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you think you have to be uncomfortable in order to look elegant? This dress from BTFBM is going to destroy that thought because it is gorgeous and comfortable. When you're wearing this dress, it feels like you're wearing a satin robe. It's loose fitting at the top on me, the sleeves are loose, and the overall feel of the dress is just super comfortable and relaxed, but it doesn't look sloppy and comfortable. It's gorgeous. The satin material shines. The color I'm wearing is the dark green, and it's just like a jewel tone. It buttons from the collar all the way down to the bottom of the dress, so you can adjust how many buttons you want open or closed, just depending on what you're comfortable with. The sash is attached at the front, so you can adjust how tight it is, where you place it, how you tie it. Another way you can customize the look of this dress. And the gathering of the material along the waistline, not only does that add an added detail of elegance, it also helps to camouflage anything in the belly area that you may want to camouflage. So if you want to look as fantastic as you feel, then this is the dress for you. Whatever the occasion, I'm sure this dress can handle it. I'm wearing an extra large. I feel like it's true to size. I am 5'5" and curvy. The belt helps to add a little more security around the waist, and I really love the fact that I'm able to open the buttons at the top or the bottom, depending on what makes me feel comfortable. The material is just delicious. I'm telling you, this dress is not going to disappoint, and that is my point of view.